In terms of pickup trucks, Toyota is well versed. It's important to remember that the Japanese-based automaker entered the pickup segment with a compact truck dubbed the Stout that made its debut in 1964. The Toyota Stout was a half-ton truck powered by a 1.9-liter four-cylinder engine rated at a limited 86 horsepower. Before nameplates like the Tacoma, Hilux, and Tundra resonated with gearheads. The Stout, however, only lasted from 1964 to 1967. They sold 4 units in their first year and over 900 in their second. Although Toyota and other automakers altered their modus operandi in response to the decline in demand for compact vehicles and switched their attention to building bigger, more powerful pickups, the tide in the auto industry has since swung back in favor of compact pickups. Ford saw this renaissance early on, and with the Maverick, has captured a substantial portion of the compact truck market. Toyota management have therefore chosen to revive the Stout nameplate in order to compete with the hotly anticipated Maverick. The Ram Rampage is destined for markets outside of the United States, and the Santa Cruz hasn't found the predicted success. As a result, the Stout will probably have an easy time competing against the Ford Maverick, a nameplate plagued by delays and safety issues. Will Toyota use the Stout to take advantage of these shortcomings, though? In addition to fulfilling client orders through its extensive dealer network, Toyota hopes to unseat the Maverick by incorporating these rumored features into the future Stout. Let's get going. Number 10. A strong hybrid powertrain. Despite the attractiveness of EVs, many people prefer hybrid cars because they provide the best of both worlds, gas and electric power. Within a week of releasing the hybrid 2023 Maverick, Ford received a record 86,000 orders, illustrating the market's preference for gas-electric vehicles. Therefore, the enduring query is, will the Toyota Stout have a hybrid powertrain by 2024? According to current rumors, the Toyota Stout will use a hybridized powertrain that is comparable to the one that is paired with the 2023 RAV4. To put things in perspective, the 2023 RAV4 hybrid has a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine that is assisted by 2 electric motors, one in the front and one at the back, to produce a total of 219 strong horsepower and 163 pound-feet of torque. But given that Ford wants to boost the Maverick's performance for 2024 and 2025, it's possible that the Stout will refer to a version of the RAV4's A25AFX's powertrain that has been aggressively modified to produce 243 horsepower equivalent to the 2023 Highlander hybrid's performance. With these performance stats, the Stout will surely outperform the Ford Maverick in the US. Number 9. A rugged appearance from the outside. Toyota has essentially hit the nail on the head when it comes to truck styling, as evidenced by the recently released Tacoma and Tundra. Although the Ford Maverick has succeeded to draw attention, consumers dislike its carefree appearance. Similar critiques have been leveled at the Maverick's main competition, the Hyundai Santa Cruz, with the majority of auto fans claiming it has an overly fantastical appearance. Will the Stout's exterior design outperform the rivals? To entice gearheads away from the Maverick and Santa Cruz, Toyota will probably try to combine a tough and athletic look on the forthcoming Stout. The all-new Stout will have LED headlights modeled after the outgoing Tacoma, an intimidating aluminum front bumper with tiny LED-themed lights, and a slender grille bearing the Toyota insignia. Number 8. Exceptional fuel efficiency. Gearheads who haven't caught on to the current EV frenzy continue to look for vehicles that will allow them to go long distances without having to make frequent stops at gas stations. As a result, it is not unexpected that they are switching to hybrid vehicles with electric motors to relieve the pressure on the gas-fed engine. What fuel economy tricks does the 2024 Toyota Stout have up its sleeves? As we've already established, the Stout will have a reliable hybrid powertrain that will significantly increase fuel efficiency. The T's little pickup truck should be able to match or surpass the RAV4's estimated fuel economy of 41 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway, if the rumors about the Stout using the gas-electric arrangement made into the 2023 Toyota RAV4 are accurate. These figures are higher than what the modern Ford Maverick is capable of. As a result, the Stout will probably acquire a following whenever it enters the US auto industry. Number 7. Higher payload and towing capacity. The 2024 Toyota Stout will certainly carve itself out as a segment-topping towing and payload beast, despite the fact that body-on-frame pickup trucks are far more powerful than their unibody-constructed rivals. Toyota's TNGA-K platform is predicted to be used by the Toyota Stout in 2024. If it incorporates this framework, it will probably outperform the Maverick and Santa Cruz in terms of towing and cargo capacity. In order to put things into perspective, the 2023 Toyota Highlander, a car built on the TNGA platform, has a maximum payload and towing capacity of 1,715 pounds and 5,000 pounds, respectively. The 2024 Stout will be a highly sought-after compact pickup when it debuts in dealerships across the country if these performance figures hold true. Number 6. The inclusion of Toyota Safety Sense as standard. When it comes to the safety features built into its lineup, Toyota is one automaker that takes it seriously. Highlighting this dedication is the recently introduced Toyota Tacoma, which comes equipped with the company's updated Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 TSS 3.0 suite. Toyota won't let up on safety anytime soon, therefore TSS 3.0 will probably be present in the 2024 Stout. What's superior? It will be offered on all trim levels. Number 5. A cozy and spacious interior. The Ford Maverick's interior has received a ton of flack for using inferior materials, which result in a worn-out appearance. Buyers were not pleased with this tactic, even if it was used to lower the Maverick's MSRPs. We are confident that Toyota's marketing executives are noting the shortcomings of the Maverick, particularly with regard to its interior. As a result, we anticipate Toyota to go above and beyond to offer a cozy cabin with a hint of elegance in the 2024 Stout. The Stout will adopt the 2023 RAV4's architecture and include a roomy cabin that can comfortably accommodate 5 people. Likewise, there will be enough leg and headroom so that passengers can travel without needing to perform cardio activities once they reach their destinations. As previously stated, the Stout will prioritize a sense of luxury with leather-trimmed massaging seats in addition to premium-looking cabin components. Soft extreme seats with embossed seat inserts may be available on higher-end Stout trims, elevating ride comfort to a new level. Number 4. There will be an off-road trim available. Toyota has a long history of making vehicles that are specifically designed for off-roading activities. The car maker has produced a number of highly effective vehicles over the years, including the Land Cruiser, 4Runner, Hilux, and FJ Cruiser. When the Stout eventually makes its eagerly awaited debut, we anticipate it will have cutting-edge capabilities that will make excursions along a paved tracks easier. The Stout won't be able to match the Hilux, Tacoma, or 4Runner's level of off-road capability though. The check engine light won't appear, yet you can be sure it will pass through rocky terrain and rough tracks. Number 3. Strong construction for extended use. At Toyota, dependability is the watchword. Although a lot of people believe that the manufacturer would stray from this approach over time, it hasn't. Instead, the automaker is selecting more recent models with durable parts that, with proper maintenance, will last forever, like the invincible Toyota Hilux. The same is anticipated for the Stout in 2024. The Stout will have a solid frame that will wax strong with routine maintenance because it is built on the TNGA platform, the architecture that supports the RAV4 and Highlander. Why not adore it? Number 2. Transmission options for different needs. The 2024 Toyota Stout, a monocoque truck bursting with thrilling potential, will probably use new transmission options within the TNGA platform to provide power to all 4 wheels. These transmissions will provide exceptional fuel efficiency and a lower center of gravity that will assist smooth handling when matched with the several engine variants anticipated for the all-new Stout. Number 1. Innovative features will be easy to come by. The 2024 Stout won't have any mind-blowing breakthroughs because it will cost around the same as the Ford Maverick, but it will include functions that will make driving smooth and pleasant for everyone. The brand new Toyota Stout from 2024 will include a wide range of contemporary technology. We anticipate Toyota's future compact pickup to feature a 10.5 or 12.3-inch infotainment system that works flawlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, similar to the 2023 RAV4 or Highlander. What's superior? The multi-information display mid-screen on the Stout will be larger than 12 inches. Delivering canned text for safety information, step-by-step directions, and other important notifications will be made easier with the help of this add-on. But there's more. We anticipate a built-in Wi-Fi system to provide seamless internet connectivity. Likewise, the addition of a JBL premium audio system will satisfy the needs of music fans who desire crisp, powerful sounds. And so, did you just love what you just saw? Is the 2024 Toyota Stout worth the wait? Let us know your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.